Hello friends, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this session, we will see how to uninstall Informatica Power Center from our Windows machine. So in order to completely uninstall Informatica Power Center, we have to follow these steps. As we know that Informatica is installed on top of the database server. So this is what the database server. So here we should have already created the repository and source connection, target connection, all this. On top of this, we have installed Informatica server here. We have installed Informatica server. On top of this Informatica server, so we have installed Informatica client also, right? We have configured the repository services, integration service, and we have installed all this. First, we will uninstall Informatica server. Then we will uninstall Informatica client. Then we will uninstall this databases. And if any residual files, say for example, in our C drive, we'll be having a files here, Informatica and Oracle exe file. So these file we have to delete it. If it is not deleted properly, we have to delete this file. Then clear the registry entries. So we have to go to the registry and then we have to clear that registry entry also. That is what we can completely uninstall the existing Informatica Power Center. We can go for new installation. Just to follow the steps, you can able to uninstall completely. First, I'm going to the control panel. Just go to the control panel, go to uninstall a program. This is what the client and server. So first I'm uninstalling the server. So click on this server, uninstall. Click on yes here. So this is what the page you will be getting it. In this page, you can click on uninstall. It will uninstall. It will take some time. We will wait for some more time. So once 100% uninstall has been completed, so this is the page you'll be getting it. Again, we have to wait for some more time. Then you'll be getting that server has been uninstalled successfully. So you can see here uninstallation completed. You can click on done. So we have successfully uninstalled the Informatica server. So now we will uninstall Informatica client. You can go to the control panel. If you refresh it, the Informatica server will not be there. Just right click on the Informatica client. If you are getting this particular dialog box, you'll be waiting for some more time. Right click on the Informatica client, uninstall, click on yes here. The Informatica client no need to uninstall, but in order to uninstall completely, we can uninstall again, we can install it. So you can click on next here, then click on this Power Center client, check this option, then click on uninstall, executing the command. So it will uninstall very quickly. So this is what the page will be getting it for client also. Click on done. So we have done with the two steps. Server we have uninstalled, client we have uninstalled. We will uninstall the repository database completely. So here the repository database is the Oracle repository database, Oracle 11G Express Edition. Just right click on it, uninstall the repository database. So this is the page you'll be getting it. Click on yes. Whatever the underlying database you have installed on top of the Informatica, just uninstall that particular database also. Here we have used Oracle 11G Express Edition. So that's what I'm uninstalling it. Once uninstallation completed, you can click on finish. We have done with all the three. Then if you right click here, if you refresh it, there won't be any Informatica or Oracle database in your control panel. You can go to C drive here, refresh it. We should not have this Informatica and Oracle exe file. So this is installation file. No need to have this file. So this is installation file. Okay, no need to have this file. Just in C drive, close it. C drive, you can go to shift delete. You can select this folder, shift delete, click on yes here. It will completely delete that folder. Same way Oracle exe also, you can completely delete this folder. Okay, we have deleted. So there is no folder is available now. So we have done with these three, and we'll go with registry clearation. So if any registry entries are there, we'll go with clearing the registry. How to clear the registry? You can go to Windows R. So type here reg edit. Reg edit is nothing but registry edit. So we have click on S here, registry editor. We have to do very carefully here. So don't delete any unwanted files here. Just go to this particular local machine folder, this folder, click on the software. You can see here the Informatica folder should be there. Okay. You can right click, you can delete on the Informatica folder. If any residual files are there, it will delete. It will delete all the files. You can delete the Informatica folder. We can delete, go to system, the software, if any Informatica, then you can delete it. So there is no, the control set, you can see here in control set software or services, go to control set system, control set. And then here, if you have any Informatica or any Oracle, we have to uninstall that Informatica and Oracle also. So here, if you have any Oracle, just uninstall this Oracle. So we do not have anything, just to close it. So check this, see all the software and everything, you have to check it. Then go to current user, go to software. Here, if any Oracle or Informatica, just uninstall, delete it. So please make sure that you are deleting only that Informatica or Oracle folder. Should not delete any other folder. Go to system, current control set. You can check here whether we have anything. Just we can check this. HKey users, no. Local machines, just we have deleted everything. That's all. So we have deleted all the softwares and setups, everything. So make sure that there is no folder in this particular system or softwares. Okay. System and softwares, we do not have any folders, Informatica or Oracle folders. Okay. So everything deleted, just you can close this. So we have completed all the 5 steps here. Then we have to restart our machine. We have to start freshly installing our Informatica software. So this is what we have to follow the steps to uninstall Informatica successfully. So I have already posted video for Informatica 10.4 or 10.2 installation. You can follow it. Again, you can install successfully the Informatica 10.4 version. Thank you for watching. We will meet in our next session.